welcome back to the channel. Now that CAT admission process are finally over and most of us have received our final converts and so do I. So today in this video I will be sharing my CAT percentile, all the B schools call which I received and all the colleges call which I finally converted. So let's get started by sharing my profile. So I am general, non-engineer, female and no EWS. And talking about my academic profile, and before starting this I want to share that my academic profile, it's not really good and it's like below average, and that was the reason I was very underconfident about converting many of the calls. And yeah, let me just share my profile. So in class 10th I scored 87%, and in class 12th I scored 76%. I know it's 87, and believe me, it's not the worst. In graduation, I scored 69%. Yeah, I have 6 in my profile. So my profile is 876, and I know that like वो 69 इतना ज़्यादा मेरे को pinch करता है because that could be 70. Like my profile could be 877, but I just received my final mark sheet and I tried my best to make it 7, but I'm just stuck at 69 right now. So my profile is 876, which is literally below average. I have done my undergraduation in BCom and I have not done my UG from a tier 1 college or even tier 2 college. And to be very honest, I don't even think that my college falls under any tier because it's a not very well recognized or famous college and it's a state university. I read a comment in one of my previous video that someone also did their undergraduation from a not very recognized college and they were very underconfident about it. And trust me, that was me a year ago, and I was also very skeptical about preparing for CAT because of my UG college. And believe me, I gave interview in like almost for 5 to 6 college and I didn't even get a single question about my UG college. So I don't think it matter a lot in the like admission process, but it may matter in placements and SIP. And I know I will like struggle a lot in the placements and SIP, but all I can do is try my best and do my best in the college. So I will focus on that. Yeah, so that's my profile. And talking about CAT percentile, so my CAT percentile is 94.93. And talking about sectionals, I scored 76 percentile in VA and 89 percentile in QA and 99 percentile in DILR. And DILR literally saved me because अगर मेरा उतना नहीं आता तो मेरा percentile बहुत ज़्यादा drop हो जाता. Sharing the B schools call which I received. So the first call which I received was of MDI Gurgaon, and I know it's a shocker because I myself was very shocked when I received the call, but I think diversity played a role. So yeah, I received call from MDI Gurgaon and I have recorded the interview experience also if you want to watch it, but unfortunately I could not convert the call and I am waitlisted and it's in huge number, so I won't convert it. I'm very sure about that. So yeah, that was the first call which I received. The second call which I received was Udaipur. I am Udaipur and I was very happy because Udaipur ka jo minimum cutoff tha was 94 and my percentile was 94.93. So it was very borderline, but still I received it. And I am still waitlisted at 485, but now it is 475 because it is moved by 10 for general. So I'm waitlisted at 475 right now, and I don't think I will convert it, and unfortunately I couldn't. Yeah. The third call which I received was of IIT Kanpur, and I filled the form of only 2 IITs. Like I filled one of IIT Roorkee and one of IIT Kanpur, and I didn't receive the call from IIT Roorkee. Maybe it was because of my profile or something, but I didn't get it. But I did get call from Kanpur and I gave the interview, and I have recorded interview experience of every single college which I have interviewed at. So if you want to see any of my interview experience video, then it is recorded, you can watch it, and you should watch IIT Kanpur interview experience so that you know how horrible it was. Like it's a story time for other video, but yeah. So I did receive call, but I didn't convert it, and I think third list out ho chuka hai, but I didn't get the call, so most probably I won't convert it. I know that. So yeah, and the fourth call which I received was of IMT Ghaziabad, and like I received call from all the 3 colleges, but IMT Ghaziabad was my main target. The interview was good, like it was above average, and I did convert it, but I converted IMT DCP, so I'm not going to join it. and the fourth convert I received was of CAP IIMs, which is IIM Jammu, IIM Bodh Gaya and IIM Sirmaur. So I have converted IIM Bodh Gaya and like both the program IIM Bodh Gaya MBA core and as well as digital business and AI. So I have converted both the programs. So obviously I'm opting for core only, like my main target is core for all the colleges. So and I also received call from IIM Sirmaur, and I know I have not mentioned in the video yet, but yeah, I did get the convert from IIM Sirmaur as well, like for both the program tourism management and the core program. And IIM Jammu, I am like I don't know what's going on, like इतना CS इतना ज़्यादा कम move हो रहा है. So I'm just hoping कि I will convert Jammu, and I know I will convert. Like a part of me is telling me that I will convert it because my CS is very close. Like 71.1 तो अभी last convert हुआ है and my CS is 70.2. So I know, like I'm just hoping कि I will convert. So yeah, that was all the colleges call which I received and converted. And I know the colleges call which I received is very less, and the reason is I didn't fill form of many of the tier 2 colleges, and I think I should have, but I didn't. And मैं XIMB का भी फॉर्म भरी थी, but I didn't receive the call because of the VA cutoff. उनका VA का cutoff is 80 and my VA percentile is 76. So yeah, I didn't get the call from it. And GIM, GLIM and IMA का I think I should have filled the form, बट पता नहीं उस समय एक तो उस टाइम सब चीज इतना हेक्टिक होता है. एंड वन ऑफ द रीजन बीइंग कि मेरे को इंटरव्यू के लिए बहुत दूर ट्रेवल करना पड़ता था, सब इंटरव्यू के लिए एटलीस्ट 1000+ किलोमीटर. So it was becoming very expensive for me. So that was also one of the reason that I didn't fill form of that tier 2 colleges. But all's well that ends well. So I have converted Bodh Gaya and Sirmaur. To be very honest, I have still not made the decision about which college should I join, because I'm still waiting for Jammu, and I have also paid the fee for like term 1 fee for Bodh Gaya as well. So I will either join Jammu and Bodh Gaya, and I'm very skeptical. I know I read a lot of comments in my previous video about which college should I join. See, Jammu के बहुत अच्छे review हैं and all of it, but the thing is Bodh Gaya के placement reports audited है, but the location is also one of the thing, and the fee की जम्मू में ज़्यादा है and Bodh Gaya में कम है. So there are a lot of factor to consider, and अभी मैं ऐसे सोच रही हूँ कि पहला जम्मू convert हो जाए, then I will make a decision. So yeah, that was all the colleges call which I received and converted. And if you have converted any of the college or your dream B school, then many congratulations to you. And please let me know in the comments which college are you going to join this year. And yeah, that's it for the video. Thank you so much for watching it. Bye bye.